Subtracting mixed numbers. I can subtract mixed numbers. Subtract, difference, least common multiple, common denominator. Subtracting these mixed numbers is like saying 3 minus 2/3 minus 1 minus 1/2. Well, I know that what I can do is just take the 3 and the 1, my whole numbers, and I can subtract those two numbers. But I still have 2/3 and 1/2. And I know that when I subtract fractions, I have to change them to get a common denominator. So I have to look for the least common multiple of 3 and 2. And I know that if I list them out, the least common multiple is going to be 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the 3 and the 2/3 and the 1/2 to equivalent fractions that are equivalent with a common denominator of 6. So 2/3 something over 6 equals something over 6. Well, I know that 3 times 2 equals 6, so I have to do the same thing to the numerator, which would give me 4/6 minus 1/2, which I'm going to change to something over 6. I know that it's times 3 on the denominator, which means it's times 3 on the numerator, so 3. So 3, now my fraction is going to be 3 minus 1 minus 4/6 minus 3/6. So 3 minus 1 equals 2, and then I have 4/6 minus 3/6, which equals 1/6. If I take and put these answers together, I'm going to get 2 and 1/6. If I check to make sure that my fraction part is in simplest form, and it is, 1/6 is simplest form, I'm done. So my answer is 2 and 1/6. Now it's your turn. Try subtracting 6 and 3/10 minus 1 and 4/5. Pause the video and work this problem out, and then turn it back on to see if you got the answer correct. The answer is 4 and 1/2. Did you get it correct?